DimView feature lets you darken your non-diagnostic displays when you're not using them. The problem with having the non-diagnostic display be very bright is it starts to interfere with the clinical details on the diagnostic display. So for example here, where most of my images are fairly dark, and I've got this very bright patient list and report, it's interfering with my vision of these images. So better would be to turn on the DimView feature, which is also found in the control panel. And so here I can turn that on for this display, and now that one is dimmed. And this could be a Barco display, or this could be some other display that's also attached to the MXRT card. And so now when I move the cursor onto this display, it's just as bright as it ever was, and I can see everything on here just fine. And then when I move my cursor off of that and I'm looking at the medical images, this one automatically dims down, and you can set the amount of dimming that you want for that to happen. If you would like more tips on how to improve your way of working, please check out our other workflow videos.